Hello and welcome. My name's Angie Holden and I'm the blogger behind The Country Chic Cottage. Today we're going to talk about a Cricut subscription, but not the Cricut subscription you might be thinking about. So I'm going to talk about a subscription that would be for Cricut or Sublimation that would give you fonts, files, and all the things that you need to be creative. So this subscription is not Cricut Access or anything to do with the Cricut website. It's actually a subscription to Creative Fabrica. So Creative Fabrica is a separate website and it has over 3 million something fonts, SVG files, sublimation prints, all the things that you need to be creative. And they are sponsoring this video because they're offering up a special deal. So they're offering up a 1-month subscription to their website for just $1 just for you. So I'm going to put a link to the subscription in the description below this video. If you are watching on computer, click show more. If you're watching on mobile, either click the arrow to expand the description or swipe up on the video depending on how you're watching. Then find that link, click it, and you get a subscription for $1 for the first month. What's included in your subscription? Is this a really great deal? Is this deal for you? Well, let's take a look at the website and find out. So this is the link that you'll find in the description below the video, and it does walk you through all these benefits, but I did want to do that on this video just so you can see everything that you get with the subscription, and hopefully it'll help you decide if it's right for you or not. So the subscription is $1 for the first month, and then it renews at $19 after that. And $19 is a discount from their regular subscription price. And so $1 for the first month, $19 after that, that's 35% discount. The main benefit is over 4 million designs at this point, and they all come with commercial license, which is what people are looking for, I would feel like, if they're going to pay for a subscription. And it is designs, fonts, SVG files, sublimation files. There are just tons of different things that you can find within the Creative Fabrica database. We are also going to talk about the way you can request custom designs, which is something I don't think a lot of people realize when they sign up for this. Yes, you can get custom designs. So let's talk about some of the benefits they list, and then I'm going to walk you through the Creative Fabrica website and different things that I like to look at personally. Access to all the designs, and there's new designs added all the time. So I constantly find new stuff that's added. Again, everything comes with a commercial license when you have the subscription. So this benefit, get the exact graphic you're looking for, just how you envisioned it, because you can request that different images be designed. And yes, they have classes, there's discounts to other websites, there's a font manager, there's a font cloud, there's tons of different things on the website that you might not know about. So let's walk through some of those things so you can see them. First up, they have their own blog, which is full of inspiration about how to use the files that you find. Next up, Craft Club. So this is the thing that I'm most excited about that I don't think a lot of people realize. You can submit a design request. If you have something in your mind that you really want as SVG file, you personally can't design it because you don't have the skills or you just don't have time. If you have this subscription, you can just click submit a design request, write down what you're thinking about, and submit your suggestion. They have a few criteria down here. Make sure your design's accepted. You'll definitely want to read through those. But I do think this is an amazing way to get those ideas out of your head and into your Cricut machine. Next up is a shape cloud generator. So if you have seen these designs where there's like tons of words in different shapes, this is one way to make those, and this comes with your subscription. So if this has ever been something that you've really been interested in, this is the way to do that. So all I did was put in a bunch of words here. So you just add words, and then you can choose from different shapes that they have, or you can upload your own shape. And this is the basic shapes, and I also liked the miscellaneous shapes, some of these, but there's tons of shapes to choose from. Then you can select from a variety of fonts that they have. I selected one, and you can also select your color, and I felt like this would give me a better idea if I had a project in mind to look at the color and see what it's going to look like in the end. And then you just, up at the top, click update changes when you make them over here, and then you would just download your design and upload it to your Cricut machine. So if you ever thought about making shape cloud art, this is a great way to do that. Next up is Font Cloud. So So you can drop your fonts into this, and then you can see all of them and preview them with your own text. So I use something similar, but it's on a whole different website. So this is great that it's all included with your Creative Fabrica subscription. They've also launched fans on their website. You can click on fans at the top, scroll down here, and you will find tons of creators that are doing amazing things right on Creative Fabrica. To get to the deals and discounts, you go to crafts and then deals, and you'll come to this page. And this gives you a tons of different discounts on other websites. So coupon codes that you could use to purchase things like Barely Art is actually one of my favorite glues, so that's a good one right there. But different places that you can purchase blanks, materials, different things like that. Bright Star Crafters is another one I've seen around. Great products. So definitely check out the deals area for all your shopping needs because you get all these discounts. Next up is the online classes area. Just click classes at the top. You'll come to all these classes that you can take, all with your Creative Fabrica subscription. So start clicking around and learning more about your machine and how to use it. So next I thought we'd do an example search so you can see some of the things that you can find on Creative Fabrica. So let's say that I wanted to make a unicorn sublimation craft. I would probably put in unicorn sublimation. Now I'm gonna get unicorn and sublimation things in here, but hopefully I will get some that meet both. So first up top, I always get like some just sublimation things, and then there's a font, and then we have tons of different other ideas. So here's like a unicorn ink type thing. Here's a great unicorn design that's perfect for sublimation, some Halloween unicorns, so a unicorn bundle. So tons of different unicorn ideas, and with my Creative Fabrica subscription, I just click on each one and download. Like, it's that easy to create amazing things. So hopefully this gives you some ideas. And there are literally pages and pages and pages of designs anytime I search for anything. So I usually just keep scrolling and try to find that design maybe I have in my head, or something that I didn't even have in my head that I truly fall in love with, and start creating something with either my Cricut machine, sublimation printer, what have you. Like, these could be printed on your regular printer if you had an idea for that. So tons of different ideas with the subscription and all the files that you can find, plus fonts. So let's talk about my favorite things about the subscription. The first thing would be the wide range of files that I can find on that website. The second thing would be there's a commercial license included, and that, hands down, I love it. Especially for those of you that are selling your products, the commercial license on every file and font on that website is mind-boggling. You can create so many things for your small-based business just with a subscription to Creative Fabrica. It's well worth the fee. So you get the first month for $1, then after that it would be $19 a month. You can cancel at any time. So if you do the 1 month for $1, you're not happy, you just cancel, not a problem. You continue, it's $19 a month. And I really think that is a good deal, especially if you're running a small business, and get commercial licenses to all those fonts and files, tons of things to start creating for your small business. So those are my favorite parts of the subscription and the website, but I would love to know your favorite parts. Have you tried the website before? Do you love it? Do you already have a subscription? Tell us why you love it in the comment section, or ask any questions you might have about the deal, the website itself. Like, I've been using it for years now, so ask me any questions you have. I have a subscription. I can answer those questions for you. If you have any questions about the deal, the website, what you get, anything at all, ask those in the comment section below. I'm happy to answer all of those. If you like this video, if it helped you, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, head on over to our YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. We have videos like this every week, and trust me, you don't want to miss any of those, especially if you love good deals. So now, head to the button below, give that subscription a try, $1 for the first month. I really think you're gonna love it. Thanks y'all, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.